job, lady.
That was bad clips, but that's okay. Well, never mind. I forgot. What we're doing with the kids today is we're making fish puppets. And we're gonna put a stick through the bottom. We're using 2 cups. If you can see it, there's the little gold clips that